Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB-FEATHER USB Premium Gaming Mouse. There is an image of this gaming mouse right on top, and this also comes with what seems like a mouse pad. We will obviously take a look. A lot of information on the box itself, a lot of features are mentioned. This is a USB powered mouse. This comes with 6 buttons. It's a gaming mouse. It has total DPI of 3200. It comes with plug and play configuration. It comes with high precision, rubber finish, and also anti-slip mouse pad. This is obviously the mouse pad in question. There's a small window cut out over here. And do we have any more information? That's more or less it. Just 2 more things I would like to add. Button life. It has a button life of 3 million cycles and cable length of 1.8 meters. Now we're going to open this box and show you what the mouse actually looks like. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB-FEATHER USB gaming mouse. Let's take a look at the mouse first. I'll keep this aside for a while. This is what it looks like. This has a very nice, very sleek matte black finish. Obvious gaming inspired design. These are the anti-slip grip that we were speaking of earlier. There are 6 buttons in total. There are these 3 red color buttons. This has a very nice black and red color scheme going on. The DPI changing button, which is this one, and the page changing buttons, these have this red scheme to it, which makes it look very classy. And yeah, once again, this is not the largest mouse. This is actually very basic sized mouse. But once again, this is a very sleek. This has a very sleek design. There are some LED lights over here as well. We will obviously plug it in and show you what it looks like. Speaking of plugging in, this is the braided cable that comes attached with this particular mouse. This is 1.8 meters long braided cable, and since it's braided, this will not get tangled easily. This will not tear easily either. And on the other end, you have this USB-A jack. I'm going to connect it to my laptop over here and show you what it's like. And I will also we're going to use this mouse along with this mouse pad that Zebronics has provided us with. So I'm going to keep this over here. This is also an anti-slip mouse pad. There you go. I'm using this mouse to control everything right now. So you can see everything. It's working perfectly, in fact. And also notice that since I've plugged this into my laptop, this LED lights have also started to work. It has this is basically the optical lens that the mouse comes with, and these buttons, this particular button has a glow to it, and these are obviously these are the lights. These are also glowing red. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB-FEATHER USB Premium Gaming Mouse. Thank you for watching.